Hello and welcome to another tutorial of VertexFX Trader. Today we will be covering risk management by learning how to set SL, stop loss and TP, take profit on the VertexFX mobile application. Let's get started. I currently have a gold trade open on the chart. Let's set SL and TP on this trade. To access SL and TP options, simply navigate to the Trades tab and click on your open trade. A list of trade options will appear. Click on Manage Position to reveal SL and TP settings. Now, let's talk about SL and take profit TP. SL, which stands for Stop Loss, is a vital component of risk management. It allows us to limit our potential losses. The key here is to set a value lower than your trade's current price. To set the stop loss, input your desired value. On the other hand, TP, or I take profit, is where we aim to maximize our gains. Set the TP value higher than your trade's current price. To set the take profit, specify your desired value. Once you've set both SL and TP, click Manage. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your SL and TP settings have been applied. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on the notifications.